Alright guys, it's coming along. I've been plucking away at the... I'll show you what I got going on here. Obviously I already showed you that I got this dog box in. What I did was I mounted this rack and I mounted this rack. I mounted it right to the dog box here. And I fastened this over here to the wheel well and put a leg in the back, and so it's I got two 30s and a 50. Then I got two 30s and two 50s, and I got room underneath to slide stuff in. I got the shelving. I got this shelving all tied in the back, along the back. I got the piece on the back tied in, and I got these risers going up just so it's just gonna miss the door. And I went over and all the way across, and I tied this thing in so it's nice and secure. I put hooks in, so you know, for if I want to put something on here or whatever, extension cords or whatever. And if I want to do anything else, I got the frame on the top. I did the same thing on this side. I did fasten this in all the way across. Put a piece of 2x in the back so I don't drop nothing. I put a piece of metal in the back here all the way down. I did put these containers right here. This goes my nitrogen goes here. My LP gas spare, and then them other two are going to be for smoke pipe. So it stands up, you know. And I do have another one here if I want to put it. I'm not sure. I might put that one in the back there also for some more smoke pipe. And then I got room on the floor for stuff, bends or whatever I want. I got tons of room for bends in this truck. Alright, and on this I fastened the top, secured that top. That's going to be for faucets up top there. And I fastened it all good. Put more hooks in. Fastened this all in good. Put this along this edge here to strengthen it. I got to go along and cut all these, grind all these off like I did with this one. Well, let me stand back and show you what's going on with it. And on this side, I got a brace across the top, you know, across to strengthen it, and I got hooks. And I got hooks. I could put hooks on the drops. Next thing I gotta do is I gotta build a frame here. Because usually I put my I usually got two toolboxes that I stack here, and then I got two drain things that I usually stack on top of one another. So I'm gonna probably build a frame and have it sliding in here, and then over here this is probably gonna be for my vacuum for the oil burner. Will go in there. Then I have to find a spot for my compressor. I might be able to put it here on the ground. I'm not sure yet. But this is what I'm gonna probably do tomorrow. But I'm getting close. This is where my ladder's gonna go here. You know, this is the way my other one was set up with all these hooks. I wanna put whatever I want on there and rope or. And then this door will go right on top. You can see the frames right there, so it's gonna miss. I might have to put a brace in the back here yet on this one. I'm not sure yet, but man, it's coming along. A lot of flipping work. I got this side all done too, all fastened in. I got plenty of room on the bottom. There's 18 inches, and this one's got 18 inches. See, this is a good size storage bin, 18 gallon. I mean, I could fit them in anywhere. Fit them on the top if I want. I'm not gonna put nothing heavy up top there, but you know, maybe PVC stuff or whatever I want to do. recycle bin fit in there also. scrap. I was gonna put these refrigerant tanks up top, but I like to just keep them right there. It's gonna be fine. I got storage underneath. Easy to grab. Don't forget they're changing the refrigerant now, so I'm gonna have R22, and then I got 410A and the R32, whatever they're coming out with the new shit. So I got two, I got two 50s. So R410A, 22, and then maybe for the new stuff, R32 and whatever. And then usually what I do is, see how I kept it up as high as I could here, right? And same thing with this one, nice and secure. And I usually just hang the refrigerant 30 pounders right off of these hooks. I could put more hooks if I want. I mean, I could put as many hooks as I want on this thing. I'm probably gonna put another rail in here so I can hook some stuff too. If I put a rail like that, or maybe like this. Do it like that the whole way, I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll do it up here. What's good about this, if you put this unistrut, I mean, you could put bungee ties right on it, right? I mean, it works out good. I'm only gonna stick out a little bit. I might do that. I'm not sure yet. I think I'm gonna put a riser over here on this one too. All the way up to here. I just keep plugging away at it till I'm done. And then I could, once everything's done the way I want it, we'll put all the tools in it. I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all my capacitors up here. Got plenty of room. I could put all, get a couple of these containers and put all my capacitors in there. What I'm trying to do is, I got more room in this truck. I'm gonna try to keep everything in the back here. I don't want to have any stuff in the front of my my truck. What I want to do is I'm gonna build a nice platform up here. I got a ton of aluminum stuff yet from the other truck, and I might even build some shelves up top there for stuff. You'll have something that flips up. There's plenty of room up top there. Kind of wasted space, right, if you don't use it. And gotta build a seat for Miss Molly over here. Boy, look at this. She got all kinds of room here in this truck. Holy shit. She's gonna be in heaven on this truck. And I gotta put some stuff over here for... Usually I put like, my bags and garbage bags, tall kitchen bags and stuff like that over there. I did order one of those little diesel heaters. I'm probably gonna mount it right here. A little diesel heater facing that way, so for heat. But I'm not sure yet. This is all gonna be, I gotta redo all this yet. I haven't even gotten to this part of the truck yet, but she's coming along. It's gonna be all faucets up top there. Gonna be amazing. Gonna be an amazing work truck, I'll tell you right now. With the flipping shelving on this thing. It's 14 feet. I like the sun comes right in here. It's nice, beautiful. Look at my little vise here. I like this. This thing works out good. I might put a 110 inverter in here. I'm not sure if I should or not. I got one in my other truck. I could put it right here, an inverter, but I don't know if it's going to affect the truck as far as giving me problems with the inverter. I'm not sure. I might do that yet. I'm not. I did it in my other truck and it seemed to give me problems, so I stopped using it. It's coming along, Mama. It's coming along. I still have to build a frame for the the cart there. Should go right in here. My cart. My dolly. Hand truck is gonna fit right in here. Hopefully it fits in there. We'll have to check that, make sure it fits in there. But she is coming along. She's coming along.